Hey guys, so I'm making this video to help you with homework 5.3. I know that there was a lot of different things we did in class, so I'm going to show you really quickly, and as soon as you remember what each one was, it will be really easy. So the first thing we can do is change a percent. So say we have 35%. We can change that easily to a fraction because we know this is out of 100%, 35 out of 100. So we write our fraction 35 hundredths. And we can simplify that, but you guys know how to do that, so I'm not going to go into that. The next thing we can do, well actually we could take this fraction and change it to a decimal. We would just need to use long division. And that would give us our decimal. Okay, so we can go from fraction to percent to decimal, but if we are going from decimal to percent, say I have 0.51. In order to change a decimal to a percent, I need to multiply it by 100. So if I multiply 51 hundredths times 100, that's going to cause my decimal point to move to the right twice. So my percent is 51%. So remember, if you're changing from a decimal to a percent, I just need to move my decimal point over to the right twice, and then that gives me my percent. If I am converting from a fraction to a percent, say I have 7/50ths. If this denominator can easily be multiplied to go to be 100, then I could just do that because I know if it's out of 100, the numerator is going to be a percent. So this one's actually really easy. I can just multiply the 50 by 2, this by 2, and get 14 out of 100, which would be 14%. But say it's not that easy. Pretend that that 50 we can't multiply to get 100. I would have to turn it into a decimal. Using long division, 50 divides into 7, no, 0 times. 50 divides into 70, 1 time. Bring down a 0. 50 divides into 200, 4 times. And now that I have a decimal, I can easily find the percent by moving my decimal point over twice. And there we go, 14%, just like I got before. Alright, I hope this helps. Just remember all the different, I know there's a lot of different ways, but just remember, once it gets to decimal, I can easily find it by moving my decimal point to the right twice. And if I got a fraction, I can easily go to decimal by using long division. And if I'm at a percent, I can easily go to a fraction by putting it over 100. Alright, I hope this helps, guys. Have a good night.